Revit 2026 marks Autodesk's 25th anniversary release, bringing a mix of performance upgrades, workflow refinements, and long-awaited tools aimed at streamlining BIM workflows. While some users hope for revolutionary changes, this version focuses on practical enhancements driven by community feedback. Below, we dive into the top features to showcase in this video, complete with timestamps and visual examples. Accelerated Revit graphics. What's new? A GPU-driven graphics engine leveraging USD, Universal Scene Description, and Hydra for smoother 3D/2D navigation. Promises 5x faster performance in complex models, especially with Revit links, surface patterns, and MEP/structure elements. Limitations. Still in development. Lacks support for line thickness, raster images, and advanced shadows. Requires high-end GPUs for optimal results. Documentation automation. View to sheet positioning and automated placement. Save view positions, example floor plans, and apply them across sheets via 6 anchor points, top, left, center, etc. Swap views between sheets while retaining alignment. Ideal for standardized title blocks. Title block scale override. Replace generic as indicated with custom text, example, NTS or varies, in title blocks. Supports multilingual projects and reduces manual edits. Modeling enhancements. Toposolid improvements. Recess subdivisions with negative offsets for roads or sunken plazas. Schedule subdivisions and assign unique materials/types, example, asphalt versus gravel. Increase point threshold, 20,000 plus via Revit INI for civil 3D collaboration. Walls by room and segment. Generate finished walls automatically along room perimeters. Use the segment tool for precise alignment with existing elements. Compound structures without core layers. Create walls, floors, or roofs without mandatory core layers, enabling flexible assemblies, example, finish-only partitions. Collaboration and interoperability. Manage links dialog upgrade. Track imported CAD files, DWG, DGN-SKP, alongside link models. Filter by discipline or status for better model hygiene. IFC link orientation. Define coordinate systems when linking IFC files, reducing manual repositioning. Twinmotion asset substitution. Swap Revit families with Twinmotion assets, example, furniture, trees, via new parameter. UI/UX modernization. Tab project browser. Organize views, families, and sheets into tabs, example, architectural, structural. Reduces scrolling and streamlines navigation. In Canvas spell check. Real-time spell check for text notes, tags, and keynotes. No more copy-pasting to Word. Dark theme polishing. Smoother UI with resizable dialogues and a personalized Revit home dashboard. MEP and structural upgrades. Globalized electrical conductors. Supports non-US wire standards, example IEC, with cable type/size parameters. Parametric rebar cranking. Automate bent rebar in congested areas, reducing clash risks. Point-to-point steel modeling. Remove automatic setbacks for precise steel framing. Community-driven features. 500+ enhancements sourced from Revit ideas, including layer priority control for compound structures, share parameters in view markers, callouts, sections, sheet collections for organizing drawing sets. Is Revit 2026 worth it? While Revit 2026 isn't a revolutionary update, it addresses critical pain points with performance boosts, documentation automation, and modeling flexibility. The accelerated graphics tech preview signals Autodesk's commitment to modernizing Revit, even if full maturity is still ahead. For teams focused on large-scale projects or sustainability-driven retrofits, via the new Recap Pro Mesh Plugin 2, this release offers tangible time savings. Which 2026 feature excites you most? Comment below.